Understanding ball in hand in English. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, ball in hand. This expression is not just about sports. It's a versatile phrase that can add flavor to your English conversations. Let's unpack its meaning and usage together. Ball in hand originates from games like pool or billiards. When a player has the ball in hand, they can place the cue ball anywhere on the table. It's a big advantage. It means you have control and can make your next move carefully. In everyday English, having the ball in hand means you're in a position of advantage or control in a situation. It's similar to having the upper hand. We can use this phrase when someone has the freedom to make a choice or take action that could lead to success. Let's see how this phrase works in different sentences. After the negotiations, we have the ball in hand to finalize the deal. She really has the ball in hand now that she's been promoted to manager. Sometimes, English learners confuse this with handball, which is a completely different concept, related to a specific sport or an illegal move in soccer. Remember, the context is key to using ball in hand correctly. And there you have it. Ball in hand is all about seizing opportunities and being in control. Use it to express strategic advantage in various scenarios. Hope you found this lesson helpful. And now, you've got the ball in hand to practice and master this phrase in real-life conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.